My guest tonight is a mumbling singer and part-time yodeler who considers himself to be a rapper. Give it up for my guy, Lil Yachty. How are you, man?
I'm good.
First of all,
I just like to say,
I didn't know how much you had in the tank. Real quick.
Yo, that shit smell.
What did you eat? What did you eat before you came out here?
My mother, I shouldn't. It just happens sometimes. Fuck you.
Okay. Would you say that you're the biggest baby?
Yeah.
What were you expecting when you showed up to a new show on Complex? Be crazier if we saw Joe Budden here.
That is a lie. I want you who's well-spoken and articulates himself well.
My nigga. No.
Can I tell you the truth?
Okay.
You're lazy.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Now, every time we play a little game on this show, because you know I'm a DJ.
Hold on.
I've never seen someone fart in front of that many people intentionally before.
I was hoping everyone smelled it, but only I smelled it.
Now, Cardi B, does her existing negatively affect hip-hop in any way?
Hip-hop is this, but hip-hop is no longer that. It's this. Like, it's not this. It's this. No longer that. It's this. It's this. Like, it's not this. It's this.
Time to close out tonight's show.